My name's Anisha. I work at the University of Alabama, Birmingham. I work as a systems administrator, and at UAB we use the WebTMA and mobile TMA and WebTMA Go. We use all the platforms in an ecosystem where the technicians use the mobile TMA. We use WebTMA for supervisors. It's our work order system. It's also where we have our assets, our equipment, and also our warehouses as well. We currently have like more than 20,000 equipments in TMA, and we are working on bringing in even more. The best thing that we have seen is the less clicks. Before we had to do a lot more clicks to do the exact same work, and now TMA has come up with a lot more shortcuts to do the exact same thing. We have a lot of technicians going through the system. We have a lot of work orders flowing through. A lot of people touch the system, and as an administrator, it becomes my responsibility to make sure that that process is as smooth as possible. We are currently going through our campus and doing trainings for all the technicians on how to use the TMA mobile app to the best of its ability. And the more we talk about them, the more shortcuts we show them, the more they're like, oh, we love this, we didn't know this was possible. Before bringing the warehouses into the system, majority of the systems were done via email and paper and pencil. We took all of those systems and brought it into TMA. Currently, we are using the warehouses system to do all our purchasing, so all the work has been like much more efficient and streamlined because of that. So we are using TMA like to its best ability, and cannot wait for the new improvement and enhancements to come out.